Halo Mbak,
Maaf ya,
itu ya Mbak apa? Habis waktunya ya?
bukan. Eh, saya yang nggak berbayar. Kemarin yang berbayarnya sudah habis.
Oh,
Nah, jadi saya
iya
belum
memang.
lagi.
Iya memang begitu Mbak.
Jadi
Cuma
saya
40 menit ya kalau nggak
40
salah.
menit. Benar, 40
Iya.
sampai 45 menit lah.
Mm-mm.
Gitu. Oke, kita lanjutkan lagi ya. Nah, Mbak Sabrin, mm, so for the upcoming meeting, you have to be ready because we are going to have a real interview. Yeah, so you need to prepare your information, for example, your educational background, your personal character, your strength and your weakness, and also your previous experience. Okay, so whenever you have a interview, yeah, hopefully you can face this in the upcoming interview better. Detail oriented. Nah, are you a detailed person?
Eh, Pengennya sih jadi detail person, tapi suka ada aja yang kelewat.
Iya, sama. Uh, Sometimes some people say that I'm a detailed person, but I think that I miss many things. Kayak gitu, Mbak. Ya, itu kan persepsi orang ya. Hmm. Tapi terlalu detail juga nggak asik ternyata ya.
Iya, terlalu perfeksionis.
Aha. I'm found that I'm a perfectionist one, but it is as my burden. Sebenarnya perfectionist itu membuat berantakan gitu, membuat hari-hari saya berantakan gitu. Bukan berantakan
Betul.
apa sih, tapi uh, suka yang kurang taktis gitu, tapi lebih ke disusun sampai selesai gitu, tapi kurang adaptable gitu.
Betul.
Ya kan, perfectionist
Mm.
kadang-kadang suka kurang adaptable aja gitu. Jadi,
Kurang santai juga.
mm, jadi janganlah jadi perfectionist. Sometimes we need the perfectionist person, yeah, who prepare any single activities or any single program or any single project, yeah. But sometimes when the project goes on in the middle of the uh, activities, something changes, right? Yeah, sometimes the perfectionist one couldn't accept there is a
Mm.
change, right? Then the perfectionist one should, the perfectionist one need to follow the previous term or the previous plan, but however, activity has changing, right? So that's adaptable person is the most important thing.
Yes.
Leadership. Are you the one who have a good leadership?
I think no. I don't think so.
So how do you say you have no good leadership?
Because I prefer to uh, work individually
Mhm.
and I prefer to follow.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah. So it means that you are a good executor.
Yes.
Ya, nah, you are a good executor. Jadi kalau untuk menyelesaikan semua tugas, wah cepet, 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 gitu ya.
Hmm.
Mhm. Gitu. Memang ada orang seperti itu. Leadership
Kadang
can lead and motivate a team. So how do you say if you have no leadership uh, value or character? So how do you? how do you cover that you have a lack of leadership, but how do you convince the interviewer that I am a good executor? How do you say?
Um, I'm a good executor because I have a high skill of time management,
Oh, okay.
time managing,
Do
and
not say that I'm a good follower. Nah, please.
uh,
You can better say I'm a good executor.
better say I'm a good executor. Because I think I have a high time management skill, and I am I am able to finish all my tasks on time, on deadline.
Okay, nice, very good. Well, I am a good executor. I see myself as a good executor because I think not do not say I think, because I believe I
Oh,
can finish every single task,
I
every
believe.
single target that given to me. And yes, I have proved that at my previous office, I have no uh, work. I have no schedule left. I have no care schedule, and I have no complaint from my boss and from my another employees. And then that's why I say that I am a good executor. Yeah, again. So, have you ever joined on any leadership uh, camp or activities before?
Honestly, I have not uh, experience to be a leader because I deem myself as a good executor because I believe that I can manage time really well, that I have no issue to handle tasks in tight deadlines.
Okay, good. So, Mbak Sabrin, do not forget to arrange specifically based on the clue. For example, your strength and your weakness. Okay, when we talk about the strength, how do you describe yourself? Yeah, choose one or two the strength here which describes yourself, and then make your own argument with with the
Mm.
reason and also the example. Yeah. So whenever you have that question, so you can easily respond that question and by delivering or by describing your own character and your own strength. So
Mm.
when you respond, you do not need to rethink, okay, how do I respond and what to say? Yeah. This is the weakness, perfectionism. Are you perfectionism?
I think I am.
Yes. Because perfectionist is a detailed person, yeah. Impatient,
Impatient, iya juga lagi.
okay. Might get frustrated when projects take longer than expected. Impatience.
Hmm.
Might get
Kalau saya sih
frustrated.
lebih ke nunggu orang gitu, nggak jadi kerjaan yang mesti nunggu orang gitu. Suka nggak
Oh,
sabar.
oh, okay, 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 okay. One of my weakness is impatience. Sometimes I couldn't wait any longer for another task from other people who has been finished and need to be finished by me or need to be proceed next by me. I can be a bit impatient, especially when project face delays. Now, when we talk about the weakness, this is the way we explain any solution.
Yeah.
We have to say, but, however. Gitu. One of my weakness is perfectionism. Yes, I am a perfectionist person who plan, think in detail and chronologically. However, I realize, now you have to say however, because we want to convince that this is not our longer weakness. We can say however or but. Yeah. So just say however. However, I realized that sometimes I need to be an adaptable person. So when I got something doesn't run as planned, then I realized that there is something changing and I need to change another steps or another plan into relevant plan or relevant activities according to the changing happen. Yeah. So whenever after after admitting that yes, this is my weakness, do not forget to say however. Okay. Are you a perfectionist person, Mbak Sabrin? Because when I see your CV, you have a very you have explained and described yourself in very detail. So I think, are you a perfectionist person?
Yes, I believe I'm a perfectionist person. That sometimes makes me worried about little things. But however, I'm trying my best to more adaptable and more dynamic.
Okay. Okay. I think there's something something that you can omit, that you can omit, that you can avoid. For example, if you want to say yes, this is my weakness, however, do not say this is my bad. This is what makes me looks worse. Yeah, however, yes, acknowledge that this is my weakness and do not say tadi Mbak Sabrin bilang gini, sometimes apa ya, tadi apa sih, lupa tadi saya bilang.
Sometimes I a little too detail, apa ya tadi itu?
Iya, ada detail-detailnya. Sometimes I am too detail gitu ya. Jangan bilang sometimes I am too detailed, tapi acknowledge that this is my weakness. For example, yes, I am a perfectionist person. I am a perfectionist person, I always gitu. I always create something perfectly in detail according to the schedule, and I always made the schedule tightly and follow all the schedule that we have agreed before. However, I realized that sometimes there are changes happen, or sometimes there are unplanned happen. That's why I could overcome this weakness with my strength, like I am an adaptable person. Ya, jadi jangan bilang gini, iya saya suka lama ngerjainnya, soalnya saya sangat teliti ngerjainnya. Nah, jangan bilang lamanya, ya kan? Tapi kan kita harus menjual diri kita kan. For example, like, yes, I am a perfectionist person. I work every single my task in detail, and I always make every single schedule tightly on the point, and I always follow every single activities as planned. However, yes, I realized sometimes there is something unplanned happen, and yes, I could overcome every single updates with my weakness. For example, I am also an adaptable person who can see there is something happened, and then I need to adapt into a relevant situation. For example, yeah. Again, do not downgrade ourselves. However, better for us to show what's good from me. Yes, I am a perfectionist. And what can perfectionists do? Instead of mentioning, this is my bad, I couldn't make this one, I couldn't make this one, I always got this one. Nah, itu kan berbeda ya. Lebih gak enak kan dilihatnya. Lebih ketahuan kan kalau, ih lo orangnya gini deh, lo orangnya gini deh kan. Lebih baik, yes, I am a perfectionist person, because this is my weakness. Sometimes I can do, not sometimes, I always make every single according to the plan, and I finish every single activity, program, and task in order perfectly, and I also concerned in every single detail that the office required me to do. And yes, however, we realized that something could happen unplanned. However, I can overcome. Jadi dikasih tahu statementnya, iya sih, sometimes perfectionist itu nggak cocok di situasi tertentu gitu kan, because blah 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 blah. However, I realized that sometimes we have activity unplanned happened, or we need to change another activity into the update one. That's why I could overcome those problems by using my strengths. For example, like I am an adaptable person, so whenever I see there's something goes unplanned, then I realize there is something changes or there is an update, and then I could overcome those I could overcome those by using my strength, so I can easily rearrange any single thing. I can easily rearrange my schedule or the office schedule into the relevant one or into a new schedule by using my strength gitu. Jadi admit this is my weakness, give the statement, and after that give mention however and explain what you can do, what's next you can do. Okay, for example, Mbak Sabrin, when I see your CV, I can guess that you are a detailed person, or maybe you are a perfectionist one. But sometimes in the office, there's something goes unplanned. So how do you overcome it?
Yes, I'm a perfectionist person that I love to schedule and plan everything, but I realize that sometimes unplanned event happen. So I can overcome those unplanned events with realize that not everything I can control everything. So I can overcome that with my strength that is adaptable, that uh, uh, I am adapt to the situation and rearrange the plan or the schedule.
Nah, gitu ya. Tinggal diganti aja but-nya jadi however.
Oke, ya oke.
Okay. That is the weakness. Perfectionism, impatience, overcommitting, delegation. Overcommitting takes on too many tasks at once, leading to potential burnout. Sometimes, yes.
Ini sering banget saya kayaknya.
Tapi kita nggak tahu itu namanya apa ya, ya kan?
Iya, betul.
Nah, ini
Saya baru
namanya
sadar ya, itu weakness ya.
yeah, that's a weakness. Overcommitting. Whenever we get so many order from our colleagues or from our boss, from our manager to do several works or several tasks or several documents. However, we haven't finished doing the first document yet, and then the order is waiting. Yeah. Nah, gitu. That is overcommitting. Sometimes I am overcommitting, and when I am doing certain documents, and then the upcoming order or the upcoming documents must be done immediately. That is sometimes I feel that is at the time when I feel a little bit burnt out. However, I'm sure I can overcome it because I have done in my previous experience. I always done this because I know whenever this situation happens for me, so I have a solution. First, I could make this one. The second one, I do this one. And the last one, I made this one. So even overcommitting is one of my weakness, and I'm sure I can overcome by doing these 3 steps. The first one is this, the second one is this, and the last one is this. So I think I'm not worried about my weakness because I know how to overcome this weakness. Gitu ya. What do you think about overcoming this weakness, overcommitting? How do you overcome this situation?
Overcome the situation with uh, time management.
And then?
And then if the situation is my boss asked me to do some work, some tasks in one time, that I need to discuss with my boss which one is the most important or the priority, so I can prioritize the task and finish it in time.
Okay. Or you can say, I can't reach out my boss to
Can reach
talk.
out my boss.
I can reach out my boss. Yeah, for example, yes, overcommitting is my weakness. But I know, or however, I know how to overcome this situation, how to overcome this weakness. First, I can reach out my boss to communicate. Nah, to communicate the priority scale. Yeah. And then I suggest my boss for several options, for several ideas according to the situation happen. And everything goes smoothly, and everything went smoothly.
Went smoothly.
Okay. Nah, overthinking. Are you an overthinking?
No.
No,
Kalau
ya.
di kantor enggak sih.
Oke.
Di rumah iya.
Iya di rumah iya ya. Oke lah kalau gitu. So how do you overcome your overthinking on yourself?
I believe to overcome the overthinking, I think the best way is to communicate with our partner. So we have not any assumption or miscommunication.
Okay, nice. Good job. Okay. That's all for the strength and weakness. Your homework. You need to choose your strength and your weakness, and then arrange one template. Yeah, arrange one template. For example, if my strength is perfectionism, so how do I describe? Again, argument, reason, example. Argument, reason, example.
Contohnya berapa Mbak? Maksudnya strength berapa, weakness berapa?
It depends on yourself.
Oh, ya, oke.
Okay. Next, we are going to jump into a conversation. Would you like to open the Microsoft Office, yeah, that I sent to you before?
Okay.
Working interview conversation.
Yeah.
Okay, now you will be Mr. Torres, Taurus, and I will
Taurus.
be Mr. Davis. First, we are going to read this, yeah, up to the end to get into the topic, yeah, and after that, underline several or block several phrases or several words or vocabularies that you don't know the meaning, okay? You ready? Okay. Mr. Davis is ready to interview you now.
Thank you.
Hello, Mr. Taurus.
Hello.
Nice to meet you. I'm Tom Davis, the manager of LCI Software.
Nice to meet you, Mr. Davis.
First, I'd like to congratulate you on passing our aptitude test. You did very well.
Thank you.
So, how did you hear about this job anyway?
I saw an advertisement.
Advertisement.
Oh, I saw an advertisement online. I click on it and it brought me to your company. Oh, it brought me to your company's website where I applied for it.
Okay. Makes sense. What do you know about our company so far?
I've read on your website that for over 10 years, LCI Software has delivered professional service on software development projects for clients all over the world.
Okay. Has delivered,
Yeah.
delivered, gitu ya.
Has
Has
delivered,
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 has delivered professional services
has delivered professional services,
on software development projects. Okay. I can I can tell from the pictures and client testimonials on the website that this is still you.
Oh, 2 kali ya. I can tell from the pictures and client testimonials on the website that you do great quality work.
Yes, we always try to do quality work. The software products we build help many brands transform their businesses. So tell me about yourself.
I completed a I completed a bachelor bla-
Bachelor's,
I com-
bachelor's
bachelor's I completed a bachelor's degree in environmental biology and a master's
environmental
degree
biology, environmental.
in environmental biology and a master's degree in enviro-
Environmental.
environmental engineering industry, but I soon realized I wasn't cut out for that job and decided to move to a different industry. I
Industry.
decided to a different and
Industry.
gimana Mbak tadi? Industry.
Mhm.
Industry. I decided to take the path of a software developer.
Wow, that determined you to make a bold career shift.
I've had a great enthusiasm for technology since an early age. I've always loved computers and gadgets. and enjoyed building them and taking them apart. I took online courses endorsed by high-profile universities and studied how to code. I have a I have a few official software I,
Certificates.
certificates. I started by building websites for people I knew. It helped me build a portfolio of projects. I got my first iOS development job at a software agency called Tech Services.
Sorry. Okay. How long have you been working for software solution? Balik ini ya. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Hello, yes.
Okay. So can you see the conversation on your screen? Yes.
Yes.
All right. So let's continue. And this is where I am. And you will respond by saying this one, yeah?
Okay, okay.
How long have you been working for software solutions?
I've been I've been working there for 3 years.
Why do you want to leave that job?
I'm looking for a company where I can contribute more and grow. I'm ready to take the next step of my career.
What exactly made you apply for this job at your company?
I can see that your company has much future growth potential. I would love to grow my career at a company that has a great reputation in the software industry.
Very good. What are your strengths?
My strengths are persistence and courage.
Courage.
I courage and courage. I give my all to achieve my goals in spite of any hardships I might
Encounter.
encounter along the way. I have a hardworking nature. I'm always looking for ways to improve and grow. I'm also a great team player.
Well, can you provide an example of how you acted as a team player?
I always try to help my teammates complete their task.
Complete.
Complete. I always try to help my teammates complete their task. If I had completed mine whenever someone needed to leave earlier, I would offer to cover for them. I'm willing to do whatever it takes for the team or company to succeed.
Great. So, what would you do if you didn't get on with someone on your team?
Well, I would try to sort things out in a calm and rational manner. I would do